All right, I got an interesting one here you don't see very often. This is a 2008 Acura TL, and it's an S. Now, what the S means, you got me. Apparently, we got something going on down here to get it out of park. They've got the spare key shoved in there. We got a few cracks in the dash, about where the passenger airbag would come out. That's very typical sun damage. They'll crack right along those weaker creases. We do have some tearing going on in the seats. It's pretty clean. It looks like it was well kept, but and it smells good. But yeah, we've got you know, these Acuras sometimes, the leather in general, the Hondas, I mean, they just don't hold up. I mean, it's only got 134,000 on it. No warning lights. Runs like a champ. Wants a code. Oh man, am I not going to be able to get it out of gear? There we go. Got to push down on it. Let's take her for a little spin. These little S-types, I think, are pretty quick. This one has the good-looking S-type wheels. I wish the backup camera would work, but I guess it won't until it gets that radio code it's asking for. Oh. All right. Sounds pretty good. Ooh, throttle is responsive. Throttle is responsive, but we got a bushing in the front end that desperately needs to be replaced. Uh-oh, my Fusion's going through the lineup there. I better get up there. I'm gonna miss it. Oh wow, this thing is smooth, man. What a smooth car. Jeez. Wish I could get some information out of the infotainment, but it's not going to do anything without the radio code. Holy smokes, that's 50% throttle. Wow, she's quick, folks. I don't know, does that S-type give you a few more ponies than a standard TL? I'm not sure. I bet it does. Most Acura that has an S badging gives you some more juice. Oh God, torque steer though. Oh yeah, this thing's got lots of juice. Golly, man, I wish we could see something going on up here, but we just can't. Can't even look at a map. It wants a code. This is a pretty sound rig. Even comes with your handy phone holder there. Handy. Yeah, got a bushing on that right front wheel that's clunking under certain bump conditions. It doesn't do it every time, but it does do it. Let y'all see the outside of this thing. Where in the hell is the hood pop? There it is. Always like to roll down the window, don't want to get locked out. It's got Michelin rubber. Look at those wheels. Isn't that a good looking wheel? Always like those Acura wheels. But this engine is smooth. Ooh, 3.5 Vtec. Probably got a timing belt that needs to be changed. This is a new car trade-in at the Ford store. But she's clean on the outside, but look at these poor seats. I don't know if they had a dog or, you know, people's dog. Yeah, look at that one back there. I mean, it's clean, but the seats are definitely going to need some help. Type S. Quad pipes. She's a nice unit. Probably a little bit out of my budget, but who knows? Some of these seat issues may detract from the price. Let's go see what that Ford brings. People have asked if I could film the bidding, and I asked if I could, and they politely said no. I was like, okay, no big deal. So, can't unfortunately film the bidding, which I think is silly. But hey, they make the rules. I'm just glad they let me film while I'm driving the cars. They have such a police presence out here. I'm really surprised I haven't been waved down and been like, hey, put your camera down. But so far, so good. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. And what will it be? I don't know.